4K 60 in both of those cameras. Is it going to overexpose the sky? It will. Out of the frame should compensate nicely. Alright, much faster for the Xiaomi. Let's do it again. Maybe it's just the angle. Okay, now Vivo is a bit faster. But yeah, now the Xiaomi so. Alright. Definitely a brighter face in the Xiaomi. But I'm commenting when I see on the smartphone, and on YouTube this could be a different story. So, do we have autofocus in front-facing camera? No, we don't. So there's no macro in any of them. But, like you can see, check out the sky. Okay, quite similar. Yeah, quite similar. Okay. Alright, video stabilization. Let me switch to the wide-angle lens. Wide-angle lens, which one is wider? They are side each other, not the top of it. So there's like 5 centimeters difference. It looks the same. Draw. Alright, let's continue with the wide angle. Video stabilization. Both awesome. Check out the sky. Looks identical. A little bit of colors for you, and macro. I'm going to have macro. Yes, in both of them. They're both great in macro. Who's making that noise? Guys, move on. Please move on. Alright. Alright, macro, let me leave the stand on the sidewalk. Alright, Vivo has a little bit, well, different focal length. That's what it is. Alright, moving along with the Pong. The vlogging style, if you're on the vlog from the smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. Alright, switching to the main lens. 1 and 1x. Oh yeah. Video stabilization. Bokeh effect. Cinematic style. Alright, it wasn't so cinematic at all. Maybe we can do it on the... Yeah, I think a little bit more bokeh on the Vivo, but that's okay. Can we do it on the Pole? Oh, that was the... This should be a first choice to me. Okay, next time we will do it as a first choice, alright? The vlogging style, some nice bokeh on my head. Alright, let's continue. How quick is the autofocus? Quick, but I think it looks better on the Vivo. Like juicy bokeh. I'm commenting what I see on the smartphone screen. Those screens are different, so yeah, maybe the file itself is also different. Anyway, it's time for the telephoto experience. I've lost most of my telephoto files. All I left is a couple of seconds, but with the Vivo, like you can see, it's a bit shaky. But you can get closer. Similar quality, same noise. And with the picture in Ferrari Rosso Corsa, you can see Xiaomi is a bit oversaturated and darker. Well, it's just a darker picture. Let me leave you with those pictures. I'll come back to you in a second.
This might be as close to heaven as I will ever get. I see perfection and a heart of gold. Always got my attention.
Flash.
Beautiful soul.
little bit on the Xiaomi, no flares on the Vivo. They both look good. Different cars. Conclusion, I think Vivo is still #1 camera in the world. Link in the description for both of them with a huge discount and additional discount in the description. See you next video. Bye.